Hello, everyone. Yay. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everybody. So, it is the new year and the new us. To new you, the new you. Oh my goodness. Let's do a little bit of stamping. Let's have some fun. Let's see, wait for some friends to come on and share a little bit of time here. Hello, everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching. Come on in and say hello. Give me a little thumbs up or something. Say hi. We are knee-deep in celebration, and celebration has started. We've got so many fun things and cute things in this catalog. Oh my gosh. My desk is just like full of stuff. Seriously. So tonight we are going to, I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you some things that I've been working on. I was waiting for my swaps to come. Hi, Sonia. I was waiting for my swaps to come and they have not gotten here yet. So, I have another project for you, and let's see, some other things to show. Definitely some other things to show. First of all, let's see. So where have I been? Last week, what did we do? Happy New Year to you. We did, we had a video last week for our Stampin' Live, because it was New Year's. Last week was just New Year. Last week. Last Wednesday. So, I have been working on getting some Valentine stuff done, because Valentine stuff is everywhere. It's in the stores. It's out now. Christmas is over. Valentine's is here. It might as well be that way. So, I wanted to show you first. I'm going to show you a couple things, and then I'm going to get right into it, because I've got so much stuff to do. There's a lot. I know people are busy at this time of the night, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I wanted to show you. So this is our catalog, right? And I made this cute little box, and I want to show you something. Look at this. I kind of made it a little bit different, but not a lot. Hi, Kathy. Thank you for joining me. Okay, so here's the box, right? But look at this. Isn't that cute? It's almost the same thing, except I used our little box. So this looks like it might, I don't know if it's it looks like a little bag or something like that, but look at that. How easy. Mine has little M&Ms in it. Yeah. Oh, I know. All the Valentine's candy is out and everything. So we're going to go ahead and get started on what we're making tonight, because like I said, I was supposed to have swaps. I don't have any swaps to share with you. So what I did was I came up with a project to show you in the meantime. All right. So we're making those, but this is what I have. I've started making a ton of these, and these are just cute little thank yous. Whoops. Let's see. I'm going to take one out there. Cute little thank yous. Hi, Cheryl. Hi, Chris. And we're going to make this tonight. Look at, these little hearts. They're just little chocolate hearts. These have the little Crispies, like Rice Krispie things in it. And then on the back, I have these little sixlets. I think they're called sixlets. And then we have some stamping. So our project tonight is going to be super cute and easy as always. We are going to have fun putting that together. So let me tell you what we're working with. I might use different colors. That's another thing, is I might use different colors on this one. But we are using the paper from my Heart Suite. We're using this beautiful paper right here. And I've cut out a lot of the pieces already, because I know that always makes things go quicker. For some reason, it makes things go quicker. And I'm like, yes, let's do that. All right. So I have cut out, these are the framelits, and these framelits are our new framelits. How beautiful. And these framelits are Stitched So Sweetly dies. You guys, I'm telling you, these make some absolutely adorable, adorable cards. They really do. Let me show you one, because I do have my, what do you call, my class coming up. This is a real simple, super simple card. Easy. But this is made with those same dies. Cause see that? It's got that, that ridge on it. So pretty, so pretty. Okay, so we've cut this out, and I also have my circle stitch dice here, and I know that this is the smallest one in those circle stitch dice. Okay, this one, if you see this one and you have this here, it's 1, 2, 3, I think it's the fourth one in, because it's kind of weirdly wobbly. It's the fourth one in. So we have that there. And then we're going to punch out some stuff. But this is going to go so quick. You're going to be like, oh my gosh, that was fantastic. All right. And I know I'm using a lovely lipstick. We want to use that. And then also we have these adorable bags that we just got. How cute are those? These bags are, they're 3x3 printed gusseted cellophane bags. And they come, there's 25 in here. So when you guys are doing these for like your class or, you know, for your kids' class and stuff like that, you're going to get a lot. You're going to get a lot in there. 25. I think we have like 24 or so. So, okay. Now, all the measurements and stuff like that are going to be on the project sheet. But I'm going to put this right in here so that it kind of sticks out. So it has the stitched lines right there. I want that to stick out just like that. Okay. And this time I'm going to put this red on here because I think the contrast between this lovely lipstick and the red is adorable. Absolutely adorable. Let's see. Let me move that out of the way. What do we got here? So my stamp, I am going to stamp from my heart to yours. This actually is going to go on the back. So I'm going to move that over. I think if I just do all of my stamping that I need to do, like right now, then I can go to my other stuff. Sweet. And then we have this beautiful heart. Beautiful heart. Hi, Donna. Hi, Renee. Thank you guys for joining me. Okay, we're going to ink this up really good. Nice and juicy. And it doesn't have to be any particular place because you're going to stamp it out. Now, when you're doing stamping and you're putting it on there, I sometimes, most times, will leave it on there just for a second so that the ink will kind of absorb into your paper and then pull it off. Ooh, so pretty. And then I'm going to close this up because I don't want to get that on anything or anywhere. And I know those two need to be clean. So then I'm going to use we have 2 punches. This one I'm going to use first. This one I'm going to use first. And then this one I'm going to use, because this one I'm going to use to cut out. I'm going to cut out this cute heart right here. See, I want to get it so it has an even border around, all the way around the sides. Can you guys see that? Just like that. Easy. So that part is done. So our heart is all done. Cute. Now we need to punch out the heart. It's on the outside. And that's this one. So these come as a bundle. You guys, if you want, you could get this whole entire suite. And these come as a bundle. And you just put them together. You put these hearts together. I'm going to lay them flat. Never fails. Never fails. All right. I'm going to put that right there. Just like that. And then I'm going to bring this in. And I'm going to use some mini. I want some mini. I'm going to use my mini dimensionals this time. I could use some of my bigger dimensionals, but I'm going to use mini dimensionals today. Put those right there. And I'm going to take off the backing. I'm going to try to take off the backing. These projects come together so easily, so quickly. I love it when projects come together quickly. That makes me want to do, oh yeah, there's nothing in here. Hold on. Sorry about that. I love it when the projects come together quickly. that is always helpful. Sorry, guys. I need to put this. Look, I am throwing things all over the place. Ugh. All right. Back in business. I'm going to put a little bit of snail right here. And I just want that there because I want to put my little heart right here. Just like this. Okay. Well, I don't want you crooked. There we go. Just like that. And then I have this red bow. And I think the red bow is going to go okay because I have, it's even though it is, the color of this is lovely lipstick, I'm going to do the red, and I'm taking it because this right here, this was in the catalog, and this is lovely lipstick, and this is Flirty Flamingo, because those are the colors of the suite. And this red bow just looks so cute on it. Oh my gosh. Ta-da! Super cute. Super cute. Okay, so we have that part done. Now all we need, we're going to stuff this one. And you know what I stuff it with? I stuff it with this little, these little, what is this? Shredded paper, sassafras. And I'm just going to stuff it with just a little bit. We don't need a lot. Just a little bit. These are just some simple and cute little treats that you can give to the kids at school or however you want to do it. Just something that will, you know, show that you appreciate them or something like that. I'm going to put this on the back just like that. And it says, Happy Valentine's Day from my heart to yours. And oops, let me put the candy in first. So that part will be done. I'm going to put 3, 1, 2, 3. I'll put 3 of those in, and then I'm going to put this in on top. And then just squish everything down. Squish, squish, squish. Oh my gosh, so cute. All right, and then the last thing that we need is some of this beautiful black satin ribbon. And let's see, I need about 16 inches. I think that's about 16 inches. If not, I'll tell you. But I think that's how much I usually use when I'm trying to tie a bow. You guys get to watch me tie a bow. And I am notorious sometimes for, you know, not really tying a bow, but trying to tie a bow. So all my goodies are in here. Okay. And let's tie the bow. Here we go. And I think that the trick sometimes to tying a bow is to let the bow go. So I'm trying to let it go wherever it's gonna go. Oh, goodness. And you know, bows never do what you want them to do while you're on camera anyway. And I think I have these, like, twisted. Come on. There we go. Now find and fix your way out there, buddy. And these little things, when I was young and you're tying your shoes, did you guys call them like bunny ears too? We call them bunny ears. Okay, and then that one's that way. Now, let's see. This one is that way. That one's that way. And then I'll take my scissors and just cut off there. Ta-da! Super cute! Oh my goodness. There you go. Look how cute these are. Absolutely adorable. Easy to put together. Oh my gosh. You guys, try and make these. Definitely make these for, and they've got little candies in the back. They say, I love you, or not, I love you. What do they say? From my heart to yours. Super cute to give away, just to say, you know, thank you, or something like that, even at the office. So super cute. So that's my my stuff for today. I will come back probably sometime during the week when I do get my swaps to share with you guys, okay? So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next Wednesday right here. Thanks for joining me, guys. I will talk to you soon. Bye.